Okay. Hello, I'm Johnny, and I'll do a brief explanation on the decomposition of water, which is H2O. First, we began with write on the equation of water's decomposition, which is H2O. It decomposes into H2 and O2. And now the first step will be balancing the equation. We see there's two oxygens on the right side, and on the left side there's only one. So add a 2 in front of it. Now we balance the hydrogen, so we put a 2 around the hydrogen on the right side. That'll be 2H2O, 2H2, and 1O2. As shown in the equation that there's only 1 mole of O2, but 2 moles of H2. And I'll do a simple experiment that will show that. What you need will be a glass of water with any electrolyte you can find, which will be salt or vinegar, or maybe even baking soda. I'm using baking soda this time, and a little glass, and 2 tubes filled with the same solution from the water. And what I also need will be a 9-volt battery with 2 copper wires attached to the both terminals. Then at the end of the copper wire, tie a piece of graphite, which is pencil lead. And because graphite is the only thing that you can find around us that doesn't oxidize. The other thing that also doesn't oxidize will be platinum. So don't try to melt your parents' wedding rings. And now I'm gonna start the experiment. It will be first you pour the water into the little glass, then you submerge the 2 ends into it. And now, as you can see, the bubbles start forming from both ends. The one coming from the positive end will be oxygen, and the one coming from the negative end will be hydrogen. And now the next step will be submerge each of the test tube into the water and connect it to each end, like this. And then we do the same thing with the other one to collect the gas. And now we just sit and wait as the 2 bottles collects the gases. Hi, I just cut the whole reaction because it takes too long. It took like me an hour to get to around here. And now we can see that it's the green wire bottle, which is the one on the right, and collects hydrogen, which is like around twice as much as the volume on the one on the left, which proves the decomposition of water, which there's going to be twice as many hydrogen formed than oxygen. And this is a really fun experiment. You can try it at home, and to prove the experiment, you just simply put a almost dimmed match into the hydrogen bottle, and you will hear the sound of it sucking it in. And then you put the same match into the oxygen bottle, which you will see the fire being relit on the match. Thank you. That's the whole reaction.